Hey, welcome. Now, immediately the user clicks on the upload button, it's going to take some time to upload those images. So what we can do is we can show the user probably something like a loading spinner to tell the user that the images are being uploaded. So the user would know he or she has to wait till it finishes loading. Now, in order to easily do this, we are going to be using a package. And I think I already have that package. Probably you don't have that. We're going to be using the Flutter EasyLoading. And if for any reason you don't have it over here, what you have to do is to head up to your browser and pub.dev, and then we can search for Flutter easy loading, or you can just go ahead and search for easy loading, and you're going to get that suggestion of Flutter easy loading. And this is what we want over here. So click on this, and you can copy the code if you don't have this package already installed. And also, in order to use the Flutter underscore easy loading, we have to do some extra configurations. Over here we have this builder. So we have to copy this builder, including the easyloading.init state. And the reason for this is to allow the easyloading to pop up in any screen we want. So we have to copy this and back to VS Code. That is if you already have this package called Flutter Easy Loading. If not, you can just go ahead and copy the code and head up to your postback.yaml file, paste this, then later you can then copy this code after the easy loading must have finished installing. Okay, back to our VS Code. We can then head up to the main.dat, or probably you already have that. Now, after the home, within the material app, it has this property known as builder, and now it wants us to import the easy loader. Alight and use Ctrl and dot and import this. And now we can use Ctrl and S to save. Remember I said whenever you make any changes within the main.dat file, it is always recommended to alt reload. Do not worry, we're going to be doing that shortly. But before then, we can just head back to our images underscore tab screen, and now Ctrl and B to make this wide. And first of all, when we click on this function, that is the upload button, we want to call the easy loading then dot show. So this will start showing the easy loading. And also within that show, within the show parentheses, it has a property known as a status. And we can say saving image to provider, or we can just say saving images. And after we have successfully put the file, and when we have completed putting the file, then we want to get the URL of the image. And after then, we want to add that URL to the list we have over here. And after that, we want to add that list to our provider. And after doing all those, we then want to call the easy loading again, dot dismiss. Okay, so this will stop the easy loading. And now what we have to do is to hot reload this. Okay, this is gonna work as expected for sure. And let's try this out. And I don't know, I think I'm having some issues with my Android, sorry, with my emulator, I guess. Whenever I restart, it does not restart immediately. I have to do it up to 2 to 3 times in order for it to fully restart. Okay, let's wait for this a bit. It's gonna take probably a few seconds, and then we are gonna be able to try this out, and hopefully it works as we expect. But for sure it's gonna work as we expect. Okay, I think it's taking longer than I expect. Okay, and still loading, and we just have to wait for this.